Welcome back. Now we'll dive into Python indentation and comments. It's like learning the grammar of a new language. But don't worry, Python is known for its simplicity and readability. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go. First, let's talk about comments. Comments are your friends, like sticky notes you use to remember your grocery list. In Python, we use the hash symbol to write a single-line comment and triple quotes for multi-line comments. They help explain your code, make it more readable for others or for yourself in future. Trust me, your future self will thank you for leaving helpful comments. I've spent countless hours deciphering my own code from years ago, wishing I had left some breadcrumbs to guide me. Now let's discuss indentation. Python uses white spaces to indicate code blocks, like if statements or loops. Unlike other languages that uses curly braces, Python relies on indentation to keep things organized. Just remember the golden rule: consistent indentation. Use either spaces or tabs, but don't mix them. I've seen projects turn into a mess because of inconsistent indentation, and trust me, it's not pretty. So we've covered the importance of comments and role of indentation in Python. By mastering these concepts, you are laying the foundation for writing clean, readable, and well-structured code. Now let's look at how indentation to organize and structure your code. Indentation means adding spaces or tabs at the beginning of a line to show the code's hierarchy. It is crucial because it tells Python how different code blocks are related to each other. When defining functions, groups, or conditional statements, you indent the code inside them to make it clear which lines belong to that specific block. Let's take an example of a function. As you see on the screen, function is declared with the def command. Def is written at the beginning of the line with the name of the function. Now, as you see, by default, the next line is started with a space from the beginning of the line. This is called indentation, and the command that you write here would be specific to this function. I am going to write a print command is written within the function after leaving specified spaces, and this is the indentation. Let me create one more command. As you see on the screen, the print command is written within the if statement, and the way you specify the command is by providing indentation. Let me give you another example. As you see, the third command is outside the if statement. Commands which start at the beginning of the prompt is outside all other commands. It's a global command. I hope this helps you understand Python indentation. Now let's look at commands. Lines in your code that are not executed by Python interpreter. Instead, they serve as notes or explanations for yourself or other developers reading the code. You create comments by using the hash symbol. Anything after the hash symbol on the same line is considered a comment and is ignored when running the program. Comments are useful for documenting your code, making it easier to understand and explaining the purpose of certain parts of your program. Let's use the same example and write comments within each of these commands. Here, I am going to specify a command which describes the purpose of this function. As you see, the command has not changed the execution of the code. Creates an explanation for the user. The 3 new lines which I have added are simple comments which are written to give more explanation to the user. I hope this helps understand commands better. Up next, we'll dive into the fascinating world of variables and data types, and how ChatGPT can assist you in declaring variables and identifying data types. This powerful AI tool will be your trusty sidekick as you explore Python's rich ecosystem. So stay tuned for our next lecture, where we'll uncover the secrets of Python variables and data types and learn how ChatGPT can help make your coding journey smoother and more enjoyable. See you there. But before we wrap up, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's build a strong Python community together.